Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet to buy USD. First, download and install the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. It is available for both iOS and Android. Next, secure your wallet by creating a strong password and carefully backing up your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device. Finally, ensure you have a small amount of a native blockchain token, like BNB or ETH, to cover transaction fees. Now, let's fund your wallet. You will need to transfer a supported cryptocurrency, such as BNB or ETH, into your Trust Wallet. If you do not already own crypto, you can acquire it from a reputable centralized exchange. When transferring, always confirm you are using the correct network. For example, BEP20 for BNB or ERC20 for ETH, to prevent any loss of your valuable assets. Double-check the address before sending. With your wallet funded, it's time to swap for USD. Open your Trust Wallet and navigate to the Swap or dApps section. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you wish to exchange, for instance, BNB, and then choose USD as the asset you want to receive. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the estimated network fees, before confirming the swap. This process typically takes just a few moments. After confirming your swap, return to the main wallet screen to verify your new USD balance. Transaction times can vary, usually completing within a few seconds to several minutes, depending on network congestion. Remember, your recovery phrase is the key to your funds. Keep it absolutely safe and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. Your security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.